This video gonna be all over the place. But what's so crazy is when I really look at certain things in my life, like I am wealthier now at this time in my life, making the least amount of money that I've ever made in my life. I am the wealthiest that I've ever been right now in my life at 29 years old. I'm 29. At 29 years old, I'm making the least amount that I've ever made, but I'm the wealthiest that I have ever been in my life. And to me, it's because I'm starting to just open up my mind to so much more in life, to so much more of my potential and my power that I have. And I think that's just so important that you realize that, like, you the key, boo. Like, you the GOAT. Like, you really are. And I think it's Aretha Franklin. I'll put it up here, but she likes mountains that basically have stuff on the side of it, right? Because how can I climb the mountain if there's nothing to hold on to? And that's true. Like, how can you really get to the top of the mountain? How can you be the GOAT or the greatest of all time, aka Capricorns? Because Capricorns be going through some stuff, honey. That's a whole other video. But how can you get to the top, the heights of where you're supposed to be in life, if you don't have anything that on the outside looks like a hurdle, but really it's just something that you can help you to get to the next level, but it looks like an obstacle, right? Like, how can you get anywhere in life without those obstacles? How can you get anywhere without having something to be like, okay, dang, okay, let me do this different, let me switch it up, let me try this. Sometimes you have to switch things up so you can get in face to face with that person that you needed to see, that was going to help you to have exponential growth beyond what you ever thought of. You had to lose that job. Y'all, I've got fired from a job before, and I'm very much that type of person that's just like, I'm gonna work, I'm perfect, I'm gonna get my life together, I'm gonna show y'all I'm the best employee. I got fired from a job. And I can do a whole video about that, but that really like shifted my life and my focus in life as far as my career. And here I am today, your fave nurse B. You had to lose that job. You had to get out of that relationship. You had to get out of that marriage. You had to have that child. You know, a child is not a hurdle, but you know, some people see like an unexpected pregnancy is like, you know, but you had to do that to get to where you had to be. You had to become a teen mom or a teen dad. You had to have those obstacles in order for you to come face to face with your purpose in life. And I don't mean to do this to be preachy. Y'all know I be getting preachy sometimes. I can't help it, y'all. Because like I said, I'm saying this to myself. This is my form of therapy. So I just got to listen to it. But you had to get through that to get to where you want to be and who you want to be in life, y'all. So don't be down on yourself. Don't beat yourself up every time something doesn't go the way that you planned or thought that it should go. See it as an opportunity. See it. Sometimes you have to go through certain things so you can take a break from whatever you was going towards. So you can just sit back and assess things, because you was going too fast. You was doing too much, and you didn't ever take that time to sit back and look at how far you've come. You didn't take time to sit back and enjoy things. Girl, you are so cute. I'm not about to put you in this camera frame. Oh, you want to get in this camera? No. We're going to finish this video. So, oh, you done talking now? You don't want to talk? Yeah. So you had to go through that to get to where you at, babe. That's all I got to say, man. It's like, that's really what I have to say. And even for myself, because today I'm still not at the top of the mountain. I'm still not there. I'm still got hurdles and stuff that happen every single day. But it's just so much to be grateful for. It's so much like that I have overcome in my life. And I'm just seeing so much more. That's why I say I feel like wealthy right now. I feel like I'm starting to really have true wealth in my life, because I just see things differently, and I'm learning and I'm growing. And do I have setbacks? Do I have times where I'm like, forget that, I'm about to go get this bag, make this money, pick up this shift and screw it? Or I literally had a little glimpse of a moment where I was like, I don't think I want to go for RN, which I can do a video if y'all want, but I had a little moment like that. And I just say all this to say, keep working on it, keep working towards it. You don't realize it, but you are an inspiration for someone in your life. Trust me. You are. You don't never know who's watching you and who is inspired by you, or who's gonna hear your story a year from now, 2 years from now, a month from now, and be like, whoa, you did that? Let me know how you did that. Who do I need to call? What do I need to do? So keep working towards it. Keep working on it. All right? Just keep living your life. Just keep living, and you already winning at it. Yeah, I'm just getting all the words today. Another thing, like I was saying, once you finally become a nurse, now you're like, okay, I want to try something different. I want to do something different. But also, once you become a nurse, pass NCLEX, do all that, now it's like, okay, how am I going to keep my license? How am I going to make sure I protect my license? I got to do my continuing education. I got to pay this freaking license fee every other year. You have to maintain it once you get to a certain point in your life. So it's never going to be like easier, you know. It's just a matter of you leveling up in life. That's really all it is. It all starts with you. You think that you didn't get into nursing school, so you think they're gonna change the requirements so you can get in, or you get in nursing school and it's hard, so they gotta change the requirements so it's easier for you, or they change the NCLEX so it's easier for you. No, you're the one that's gonna have to change. You gotta be the one to do it. Nobody else is gonna do it. Nothing else is gonna become easier for you. Now, I'm not saying like, oh my goodness, life is just so hard, and oh, it's just so much, it's just too much, life is just too hard, nothing ever gonna come easy. I'm not saying it like that, but what I'm saying is like I said in another video, like every different level of life, you're gonna have to rise to the occasion. And sometimes what you don't realize is that you have to rise to that occasion even before you get there. And that's where I'm at right now. I'm like, okay, Brandy, I tell myself that I want to go to school, but what am I doing that's gonna make it so that when I get into school, I can actually do it? Because it's times now where I can't get stuff done, or I don't get things done, but I know that I still want to maintain my YouTube channel while I'm in school. How am I gonna do that plus go to school plus my kid? Like, how am I gonna do that? So now I have to be like, okay, look, what can I do now that's going to show me that I'll be able to go to school, have a YouTube channel, be with my kids, yada, yada, yada. Okay, maybe I need to start implementing more educational things into my everyday schedule. I have to take out an hour or whatever and study, or an hour or whatever and make more educational videos. And that kind of can be like my mock school to give me an idea of how it is to really be in school with 2 kids and still having this business from home, like being able to maintain everything. So I'm not necessarily in school yet, I haven't paid off the debt yet, but I need to rise to the occasion so that when it comes into my life, I'm already ready. My oldest sister, she a Leo, and she always says, I stay ready so I ain't gotta get ready. And it's true. You have to rise to the occasion before you even get there. And once you take that step, I bet everything gonna start flowing into your life, because now you're showing God, now you're showing the universe, now you're showing yourself that you're more prepared for, you're more ready for, because you're already doing it. You're already doing it. So, I mean, just like when I was working full-time, pregnant, had a baby at home, I would still wake up, do a video. I would literally take my laptop to work, editing a video, and then upload it and then get back to work. You know, on my break, I would do that. That's what I would do. I would answer, you know, questions, or put up an IG post, put up stuff in my Facebook group, do all that while I'm at work. Of course, you know, I was on break, but do all that. And it was like I was preparing myself to be able to be at home with my kids working full time. I had to put it out there that I'm willing to put in the work so that this can happen. But I could have easily just been like, I want to be at home with my kids and be a full-time YouTuber and not do anything and be like, yeah, once I'm home with my kids, I'll start doing it. No, I had to be on top of it before it even happened. And now that I think about it, like, that's crazy. That's the truth. And it's like, the next thing that I want in my life, I have to do that. So that's what I'm, you know, want to lend to you all, is to see what you can do to basically put yourself in that position before it comes to you, so that you can attract it into your life. This is getting to some more like law of attraction, like deeper stuff. Like, that's real. It's real stuff, y'all. It's real. Trust me, it's real. give me like a star emoji or something if you understand what I'm saying, that you realize that this is real, y'all. Bringing things to your life, you can do it, but you have to do it. You gotta do it, baby. You nurse B, you. Okay, I'm like feeding the baby, so that's why she's being a little risque. But I just wanted to say that I know this video is all over the place, and once again, peace.